Hey you, welcome to True Vikings. Today I want to talk about how much money we made with metal detecting in 2021. Just to be clear, I'm not here to brag about this money because there's nothing to brag, but maybe I can inspire some of you who are looking for different ways to monetize their metal detecting hobby, and some of you might have started their own YouTube channel and are now looking forward on how much money you could possibly make when starting out YouTube. We have around 5 different revenue sources that we get a small amount of money from every year, and I want to tell you of those sources from the lowest paying to the highest paying in that order, and maybe you can learn something on the way. Our first revenue source is our merchandise website. You can find a link in the video description, or then our channel website. Look at this picture, it's awesome. And you can find a link to the merchandise store here in the corner, and then you get to buy some True Vikings merchandise. We have t-shirts, we have shirts, we have some hats and some coffee mugs. We didn't promote this merchandise store at all actually in 2021, and that is why we didn't get any sales and our revenue was €0. But we have this only for fun. We usually buy some gear for ourselves, like this True Vikings shirt and this coffee mug. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy, but I'm maybe saying that you should buy some of these coffee mugs. The second revenue source is, of course, metal detecting. In 2021, Emil was only once metal detecting at the beach, and he received around €5 in profit in around 5 hours of detecting. I think I was around 10 to 12 hours metal detecting in 2021 at beaches, but I found around €20 of profit on those 10 to 12 hours of metal detecting at the beach, and that was only because I found this really cool small beach that no one had metal detected before, and I found like €15 there probably in like 5 hours of metal detecting. As you know, we don't do so much coin shooting at parks or metal detecting beaches. We like to spend our time in forests or fields, and that is why we don't find so much euros on our channel. But we found in total €25 in coins with metal detecting in 2021. Our third source of revenue in 2021 was affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I can explain it quick. We have some Amazon affiliate links down in the video description, and every time someone clicks on those links and buys something out from Amazon, we get a small profit. In total, our earnings from 2021 was actually €61.13, which is amazing, I think, because we only have those affiliate links there and we don't promote them so much, and we get some sales every now and then. Here you can see that from the United States we got €31, and from Germany we get €18, and from United Kingdom around €10. As you can see, affiliate marketing is a really good way to monetize your YouTube account, your TikTok account, your Facebook channel, your Instagram channel. I really recommend you to try it out. The fourth revenue source is sponsorship deals or influencer deals, whatever you want to call them. In 2021 we didn't actually have so many influencer deals because we didn't want to jump into something that wasn't metal detecting related or didn't have anything to do with this hobby at all. In 2021 we had only actually one influencer deal where I reviewed this Humia MD840 metal detector worth around €151.99. I didn't receive any other money from this video. I only got to keep the metal detector for myself. But the best social media deal of 2021 was, of course, that we got asked to be Minelab the experts. Our biggest revenue source of 2021 is, of course, YouTube. We have under 6,000 subscribers right now, and I want to tell you how much money we make from that. YouTube you can monetize in many different ways after you hit 1,000 subscribers, and one of the ways are YouTube memberships. And first I want to tell you how much money we make from YouTube memberships. You get information about our YouTube memberships page by clicking this join button on our YouTube page. And here we have different monthly payments that some of our fans can donate to us. We have the Viking level, which is 1.99 euros a month, and the Berserker 4.99 per month, and the Shield Maiden 9.99 a month. And these different levels have different perks that you get when you make a monthly donation for us. Right now we have 3 members here on the Viking level, which are Jimmy K2, Boone Barnes and Janet Huffman. Thank you so much to the 3 of you, we highly appreciate it. And if you want to join our membership gang, you know where to do that now. From YouTube we received 608 euros and 30 cents in total in 2021, and we had over 200,000 views. Our highest paying video was actually This Is How a Metal Detector Works, which received over 30 euros in total in 2021. This is pretty good in my opinion from an old video that I did a few years back. So in total in 2021 we received 846 euros and 42 cents. This amount isn't of course so high, we need to keep our normal jobs at least for a while. But thank you everyone for supporting this channel. 5 to 6 years ago when we were starting out with Emil, we didn't think that this would be even possible. We didn't think that we would make a single euro from this channel or from metal detecting. Everything that we earn from metal detecting from YouTube goes immediately back to the channel. Camera gear is expensive, studio lamps are expensive, metal detecting gear is expensive, driving to different metal detecting locations are expensive. And of course we donated a lot of money to hungry kittens. So we are actually thousands of euros on minus from 2021, just to be realistic. My goal for 2022 will be to gain more revenue streams from metal detecting, and if you want to learn how to make money with metal detecting, you should watch my video, The Ultimate Guide How to Make Money with Metal Detecting.